here is the picture of waterfall. You can use oil pastels, pencil colors, watercolors, whatever you have at home. I am using watercolors, and you can use brown shade for rocks or you can use gray. I am using gray here. So when we color, we just started coloring like this. No, we have to go one by one in each rock. Move your brush very slowly. You don't need to rush to finish it fast. Now go to the next rock, and like this we will go to each rock to paint. After that we are going to color the water. So here is a change. I am using white oil pastel and I am just rubbing where I have drawn the lines, also the foam. Where is the splash? Now I am using watercolor over it, and as you can see, these are the oil pastels, so we can still see the white lines in the water, and when you will try, you will see an amazing result. After that, if you want, if you have drawn some bushes, you can just color that part. If you have not drawn, still you can just try with green color and you can make some green. Use pencil colors to add more details so your rocks will look rough.